Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramani. Let's get started, closing our eyes. And we take a deep breath in through our nose and let it out through your mouth. Again, we take a deep breath in through our nose and let it out. One last time, we take a deep breath, breathing in and let it out through your mouth. Lower your right ear to your right shoulder, placing your right hand on top of your head for a gentle neck stretch. Let's switch sides. Relax your left arm, come back to center as you drop your head back, chin to ceiling. And now drop your head forward, coming into a forward fold. Relaxing your head, your neck, and your shoulders. And you have the option to clasp your hands behind your head, adding a little extra weight. Relax your arms down, open your legs really wide. Plant your right hand on the floor as you extend your left arm up towards the ceiling, maybe looking up at your hand or the ceiling. And you can reach back behind you for a deeper stretch, rotating the chest up, and switch sides. Relax your right arm back down as you bring your elbows on top of your thighs. Lowering your right shoulder, you look over your left shoulder. Switch sides. Come back up, shaking your shoulders out. Place your left hand behind you, looking over your left shoulder and twisting to the left. And you can place your right hand on top of that left knee for a deeper stretch. Switch sides. Come back to center and you can close your legs a little bit, maybe shaking the shoulders out, and then side body stretch with the left arm lifting up and over. Let's make our way to the other side. We come back to center. We're going to lift our left leg up onto the couch, keeping that leg straight and the foot flexed. come into your forward fold, maybe grabbing the leg or the foot and relaxing your head, your neck, and your shoulders, taking deep breaths in and out through your nose. Let's make our way to the other side.
Your cries that can be heard from far and wide.
Come back to center, shaking your body out, shaking the shoulders out. Take a big inhale, lifting the arms up overhead. Exhale, hands come to heart center. We end class by taking a deep breath in through the nose and let it out through your mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.